that when I stumbled upon what one journalist did. Ang ginawa niya, ang tinanong niya AI. Sabi
Mm.
niya gano'n, sa ChatGPT, parang, what do you think about, say, for example, you taking over the newsroom? And it started to say a lot of things against itself. Parang gano'n ang lumalabas. Na
Mhm.
it's not advisable, sabi ni AI, to have me take over the newsroom, do some generative reports, no? Kasi it's a generative, it learns language by what we feed it. Okay?
Yeah.
It's not sentient. No, hindi siya sentient being kagaya natin na self-aware. Although others fear na baka in just a few years, yun ang mangyari.
Mhm.
But it's a generative language tool na natututo siya kung ano yung feed natin. Say for example, yung partnership ng AI with the Associated Press would give AI access to the millions, I guess, na reports, no, na ginawa nila through the decades.
Mhm.
And dun siya matututo, dun siya apparently matututo how to craft a report. Well, sinasabi ng people who defended GMA na okay lang naman kasi they're talking heads. Fine, it's okay, no? Kaya lang, where do we draw the line? AI apparently knows where to draw the line kasi sabi niya hangga't maaari wag siyang gamitin, no, in
Mhm.
the newsroom, because what the newsroom requires or demands of its people, especially journalists and editors, is responsibility and accountability to what it puts out there. And AI, for what it's worth in technological advancement, has no sense of accountability the way humans have a sense of accountability, or at
Yeah,
least,
or journalists for that
or
matter.
journalists for them, kasi we were
Be-
trained for that. The better question, I guess, that we should ask is that, did you feed, what did you feed AI so that it can come up with those faces? Because those faces, basically, if you really look at it, they're not, I mean, if we're going to make ourselves creators of people,
Mm.
in our image, to use biblical terms. Parang ano ano yung pinanggamitan mo rito? 'Di ba? Ano yan, pinlegerize mo lang yung mukha. So
Mhm.
sa akin ganun yung dating sa ulo ko kasi parang these are just copies of ano, and if we are, I mean if we are already into personalities, no, yung Filipinos are really neck deep into following personalities and how they look and ganyan.
Mhm.
And of course, social media also bolsters that kind of practice, no, in TikTok, 'di ba? Ang dami diyan, puro sila magaganda, puro gwapo, ganito, ganyan.
Oh.
What is stopping us from using AI to create mas gwapo, mas maganda, just to grab the attention of our audience? 'Di ba? Ang maganda lang, meron tayong policy that is put there. Like, okay, AI will be used sa ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Kasi ang takot ko lang is that um, accountability might be shrugged aside just for the novelty of the technology.
Mhm.
May accountability ang journalism eh. That's the one thing we should never forget. No, I mean, kunin niyo na lahat ng gwapo, kunin niyo na lahat ng maganda, gawin niyo na lahat ng AI na newscasters, pwedeng sa Bagyo, 'di ba? Sila na rin para naman safe, 'di ba? Kasi you can always make an excuse eh. Yung kanina I was watching before I went dito. I was watching a report. Basically AI siya. It was AI made. Pero ine-explain nila na ang dami pa ring work talaga. Like, even yung talking head nila, they have to edit what was fed to the AI and to the talking head, the image. Do you still need an editor to edit it? Kasi hindi niya, parang hindi sumusunod yung AI dun sa naka-feed sa kanya na supposedly sasabihin na lang niya. Hindi
Mhm.
sumusunod. There are lapses, there were suddenly hindi nagsasalita, suddenly. So, there is baka marami pang problema sa programming, may glitches pa, and
Mhm.
all that. Ang sa akin is that, kagaya ng sabi mo kanina, paano pag biglang nagmura yan? Paano pag biglang it goes rogue? 'Di ba? Somewhere in the
Mhm.
middle, it goes rogue, biglang nagsalita ng kung ano yan, 'di ba? Um, sabihin nating merong corruption case na and then nagsasalita yung AI, yung newscaster, biglang sinabi niya, sige, magrevolusyon na tayo kasi nga ganito tong mga taon to. What are we gonna do with that? Who's going to answer for that when a machine is the one that went rogue? You cannot blame the editor for it because he tried his best to do it. You cannot blame the publisher for it because he tried his best to do something about it. So who now answers for that?